Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Walmart account from your mobile device. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and then in the search bar type in Walmart. Now, download the Walmart app and once it's downloaded, simply open it. After that, it will take you to the official homepage of Walmart app. There, you'll have to tap the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now tap on the sign in option. Now in order to log into your account, you'll simply have to enter your email address, your password. So enter those. Now tap sign in. And there you have it. You have successfully signed into your Walmart account from your mobile device. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.